Welcome back to the Caribbean Basin Power Authority channel. We are a Puerto Rico nonprofit corporation committed to ensuring that American citizens in Puerto Rico receive the same power quality and system integrity as those on the mainland. Together, we can foster a stronger, more resilient, and interconnected America. To connect individual offshore units, these special cable-laying vessels first conduct a bathymetric or underwater survey to ensure there are no obstacles. This is done using a remotely operated underwater vehicle, or ROUV, which makes contact with the pre-installed messenger wire on the delivery location. This messenger wire is then pulled aboard and connected to the cable head. The cable can now be deployed very slowly, with the ROUV checking each section as it makes contact with the bottom. As the cable is laid, workers indicate precisely where it needs to be cut, and the process is repeated at the opposite end. A special, remote-controlled trench robot is then deployed to bury the freshly laid length of cable. Underwater cables are robust and can last up to 25 years. Today, the job is done by specialized ships with unique rotary sections for cable storage and deployment. They also have special mooring systems and flat bottoms, which help reduce motion during operations in both shallow and deep water. The interior of these unique vessels is equally intriguing. The most notable is the way the entire center of the ship is dedicated to the cable-laying process. With thousands of feet of tether for the ROUVs and underwater cables, vast sections of the ship are used as storage space. There are also specially equipped sections from which the movements of the ship, cable-laying devices, and ROUVs can be coordinated via remote control. As we continue to see the rising demand for undersea grid connections, massive cable-laying ships will become a more common sight as they connect countries to alleviate poverty caused by the lack of affordable, high-quality power and clean water. This chapter highlighted the simple, reliable process of installing undersea cables. Why hasn't Puerto Rico been given access to this technology? Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we expose the shocking cost disparity between mainland energy prices and Puerto Rico's current costs. Thank you for joining the Caribbean Basin Power Authority channel. Please visit our website, become a supporter of Project Equity, and receive updates to be the first to know about Project Equity's progress.